These ROTH ID tags are great in case of an emergency. You know, hopefully it never happens, you never have to use them, but this is what they are. So they have a little card here that you can use to fill out your personal information, child's information, spouse, whoever's information. And then you can just fill it out there, and then you can keep this in your car, somewhere nearby, maybe in a pocket or something, purse, whatever. And then I'm gonna put this down. Comes with the little packaging. Let me show you everything, and then I'm gonna show you the tags. So this is the little package that it comes in. Very nice. I like the colors and how they organize everything. So this is the rest of the packaging. This tells you the story of why they made. Where was it? Yeah, over here is the story of why they made the tags. Very interesting, very nice, and it was for a personal experience that they had, so that's why they made this, to help other people, which is fantastic. And then here it has the little quick start guide. I'm just gonna kind of slide it up a little bit so you can see. Let me get a little closer so you can see how it looks. So that's basically how you attach them to the wrist of the person you want to have it on, usually for kids or anything like that. And yeah, so then you're gonna put this down. I'm gonna put this down, and these are the tags. So you see, I have them upside down. So it's like this. So it might be upside down for you. Yeah, well, on the screen, it might be the camera's mirrored. But anyway, this is how they look like. And then on the back, it has the name, info, contact, date of birth, state, county, all that kind of information. And then you can also put the QR code with the tag there. So it's very, very useful. You just put it on. I have my watch on, but let me try it on this hand. So, you just strap it on, and then you have it on there. And then when they take off the tag, they have the information. So super helpful. God forbid there's an emergency or anything, you want to use these. So hope you check them out. Hope you never have to use them, but it's good to have just in case.